Welcome to this in-depth review of M1 Finance, where we'll take you through everything you need to know about one of the most beginner-friendly investment platforms out there. If you're someone who wants to grow your wealth without the constant stress of actively managing your portfolio, M1 Finance is built for you. First, let's talk about the main benefits of M1 Finance. It combines both automation and flexibility. This means you can easily set up a portfolio and let M1 Finance handle the rest, without giving up control over where your money is going. The platform uses pie-based investing, where you can create a pie of different investments, customize it to your needs, and then M1 Finance will automatically balance and manage it for you. This approach is great for people who want to invest consistently but don't want to deal with constant buying and selling decisions. On the downside, M1 Finance is not ideal for day traders. Since there are only 2 trading windows per day, it doesn't offer the quick trade execution that active traders look for. It's designed for long-term investors who prefer a set it and forget it strategy. Additionally, the platform lacks features like tax loss harvesting, which some other brokerages offer for tax efficiency. In terms of cost, M1 Finance offers a free plan that provides access to most of its features. There is also a paid option called M1 Plus, which costs $125 per year and gives you additional perks like a second trading window, higher cash interest rates, and access to a lower borrowing rate. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXBD offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXBD, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. M1 Finance also integrates with bank accounts for easy transfers, and you can even borrow against your portfolio if you need liquidity. Its simplicity, combined with its powerful tools for long-term growth, make it a solid choice for beginner and experienced investors alike. Now, if you're interested in copying the trades of experienced traders, M1 Finance allows you to do just that. You could easily follow successful investors and replicate their portfolios. By leveraging this feature, you can benefit from the strategies of millionaires without needing deep market knowledge. If you're new to investing, this platform allows you to get started with as little as $100. Over time, you can continue to add to your pie and watch your investments grow, all while paying little to no fees on trades. Be sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. If you're ready to start copying the trades of successful investors, check out the link in the description to get started now.